Hello, did you know that in the business world, it is increasingly important to have an Agile coach? Today we explain it to you in 60 seconds with CertiProf. An Agile coach is an expert in Agile methodologies that helps organizations improve their development processes and increase productivity. This role helps to identify and solve problems, improve communication and teamwork, and optimize the use of resources and tools. Thanks to the work of the Agile Coach, companies can better adapt to market changes, be more competitive, and offer their customers higher quality products and services. An Agile Coach is essential for any company that wants to stay current and grow in an increasingly competitive business environment. If you still need to learn how to get certified as an Agile Coach, visit us at certiprof.com/agilecoach.